Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a wash and go, and the products that I will be using is by Kinky and they will be listed below in the description box. I'm starting off on freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled hair. Right here is the leave-in conditioner I will be applying first, making sure to smooth it in very well to cover all of my strands. Next I am applying the styler, blending that in very well, making sure I'm covering all of the strands and making sure that I'm adding enough product to help form my curls. After this is well blended, I will use my detangling brush to further smooth and detangle my hair, and afterwards I will begin to shingle. And if you don't know, shingling is basically twirling small sections of hair around your finger to better define your natural curl pattern. And I will be repeating all of these steps for each section until all of my hair is complete. So I'm just going to let you continue to watch and I'll be back. Okay, right here I am blending the two products in together, and I'm just going to slow it down, and I'm going to focus my camera a little closer to myself shingling my hair. And my camera was going in and out of focus, so I hope you can see me doing my shingles. To shingle my hair, the first thing I do is take a small section, I smooth it from root to tip, and then I twirl it around my finger. Once I am done with all of the shingling, I always give my hair a good shake just to separate my curls, and I'm going to be using some black clips to separate my part, just to keep my part neat while I am drying my hair. I will be using the diffuser to dry my hair, and then some of the time I will not be using the diffuser. And I will be using the pick to lift my hair while drying. And I'm going to play around with my curls a little bit, and then the style will be complete. I hope my video was helpful, and if you like it, show some love and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, share my video, because all of those things would be very helpful in helping me grow my channel. And join me on my next video. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.